Hi guys, today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of our chapter is A Tiger in the House. This is a chapter which is written by Ruskin Bond, and Ruskin Bond is known for this thing like for writing interesting stories for the children. He writes a lot of stories, and his one trait is that he mentions about his grandfather a lot. Like he's very fond of keeping pets and everything. So he always mentions about his grandfather. So we'll read this chapter and come to know about it. So first of all, this chapter talks about Timothy. That's a tiger, right? That's a baby tiger. That's a cub, right? So what happens is, first of all, the author speaks up and tells us that how his grandfather found that tiger. So first of all, one day what happened when the grandfather was strolling down the forest, he saw a little tiger about 18 inches long. And as I've mentioned, he was very fond of animals and keeping pets. उनको different जगह पे जहाँ पे भी मिलते थे, he used to gather all sorts of pets. He was very fond of it. So what happened, grandfather brought him home and he was named Timothy. He was named Timothy by the grandmother. Since it's a Catholic background, Catholic Christian family, तो उन्होंने tiger cub को उसकी grandmother ने name कर दिया Timothy. So that's how he was named. So then they first tell about this baby cub when he was very small, very little. So he was brought up entirely by milk. Initially उसको सिर्फ milk से feed करते थे, but that became very rich for him, like high nutrients. So that was not the diet a tiger should get. So his diet was replaced. It was replaced by again meat and rabbits also, pigeons also. So that's how his diet was replaced. And then he was he started to grow up. Okay, so these were the two characters which are very famous, and about the Ruskin Bond, his grandfather, and also in this text we are going to talk about Toto the monkey and as well as the small mongrel puppy. So ये दोनों बहुत होते हैं, they are very cheerful and they used to love to play with Timothy. Okay, now we'll be reading about it. So first of all, Toto the monkey, so what he used to do, he used to tease Timothy all the time and he used to love teasing him. So he used to पुल यंग टाइगर बाय द टेल. वो हमेशा उसको उसकी टेल से खींचता था और उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था. बट द फैक्ट ओवर हियर वाज, टिमोथी जो था पहले तो अनॉय नहीं होता था, बट जब टिमोथी अपना टेम्पर लूज कर जाता था, यानी कि उसको गुस्सा आने लग जाता था, व्हाट टोटो यूज्ड टू डू, टोटो यूज्ड टू क्लाइंब अप द कर्टन. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द पपी, मॉन्ग्रेल पपी, पपी के साथ क्या हुआ, इनिशियली व्हेन ही वाज अ कब, द टाइगर वाज अ कब. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, उसको बहुत डर लगता था पपी से, but slowly उनकी friendship होने लगी उसके साथ. So when he came too near, finally he allowed the puppy, finally the baby cub allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest. So finally उन सबकी friendship हो गई थी and they were enjoying their company, each other's company. That used to happen. Here also in this picture you can see how well they are playing, and again Toto the monkey is teasing Timothy by holding his tail, pulling his tail actually. So that's what happened, and जब भी उसको गुस्सा आ जाता था, he used to lose his temper, he used to climb up the curtain. Okay, now here's the mongrel puppy as you can see. So now moving on, what happened, the author tells that one of the Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him. So when I means the narrator here, the author Ruskin Bond is saying, then when I came to live with the grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. So here the author says that I think I have become his favorite. Why? Because he started to play with him. He was so happy to be around the author. So by the time tiger was a size was grown up to a full size of a retriever, just like a dog, he was up to his full size, and the author used to take him out for walks. तो अब तब क्या होता था, the author mentions कि जब वो अपने grandfather के घर रहने आए, he used to feel that tiger has started liking him a lot और उसको walk पे लेके जाता था author हमेशा. And what they used to do, लोग उनको अगर देखते थे ना walk पे जा रहे, वो खुद ही side पे हो जाते थे. But that time the tiger was too small to harm anybody, so it was a very great thing to do for the author to take him on to the walks, and he was very happy doing that. So what happened, Timothy's favorite place in the house, so he mentioned here, यहाँ पे वो Timothy की liking बताते हैं कि पूरे घर में से उसकी favorite place क्या थी, to lie on the sofa. That was a long sofa in the drawing room and he had clean habits. मतलब टिमोथी ज़्यादा गंद नहीं मचाता था, उसकी बहुत clean habits थी and used to sleep in the cook's quarter. So here the author mentions कि वो रात को कहाँ पे सोता था. वो कुक था उनका, महमूद था उसका नाम, वो उसके क्वार्टर्स में सोता था रात को टिमोथी. और ऑथर ये भी मेंशन करते हैं कि जब उसके रूम में रात को सोता था तो जब उसको कुक सुबह उठाता था he would just wake up very politely, मतलब he would not show aggression. The tiger वो चुप करके रूम से बाहर निकल जाता था. That used to happen. So what happened? One of these days declared the grandmother in her prophetic manner. Prophetic manner मतलब prophesy करना कि आगे जाकर ये हो सकता है. So this is what the grandmother prophesied. We are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed and no sign of the cook. So the cook's name was Mahmud. So here the grandmother is saying one day will come where you will not find the cook. Cook will not be there in the room and you will find Timothy the tiger sitting on the bed. Which means कि जो tiger है वो उसको खा गया होगा कुक को. ये ऐसा प्रोफेसाई कर रहे थे. शी वॉज डिक्लेयरिंग कि ऐसा हो सकता है बट एक्चुअल में नहीं हुआ था. सो द रियलिटी वॉज इट डिडंट हैपन बट शी वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट इट कुड हैपन वन डे बिकॉज द टाइगर वॉज स्लीपिंग विद अ ह्यूमन. तो इट्स वेरी नेचुरल कि जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा हो सकता है तो ऐसा एक सीन हो सकता है. दैट वॉज हर प्रोफेसी अबाउट इट. ओके. So what happened? Of course it never happened. But when Timothy was about 6 months, तो उसके अंदर बहुत changes आने लगे. Just like from being a tiger cub, like from a baby tiger, he was growing up. तो उसकी body में बहुत changes आने लगे. अब उस changes में क्या था? First of all, he was very friendly, But after those 6 months, when he was actually 6 months, he started to get less friendly. And उसके बाद what happened? जब भी उसको author लेके जाते थे walk के लिए, पहले वो बहुत पोलाइटली जाता था. उसके बाद क्या हो गया, वो बहुत फ्रेंडली हो गया, मतलब कम फ्रेंडली हो गया. ही बिकेम लेस फ्रेंडली एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड, ही यूज्ड टू टॉक अदर्स पेट्स. वो उनके पीछे भाग जाता था और उनको कैच करने की कोशिश करता था. दैट वाज द चेंजिंग साइंस इन टिमोथी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, सो अब उसके बाद और चेंजेस में क्या हुआ, उसको ज़्यादा ऑफन चेंज करना पड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ हिज डिसओबीडियंस. पहले वो सबके साथ चेयरफुली ग्रीट करता था, मिलके रहता था, फ्रेंडली था, बट देन ही स्टार्टेड हिज बिहेवियर स्टार्टेड टू चेंज. सो ही बिगैन टू स्टॉक महमूद, उनका कुक था जो, वो उसको स्टॉक करने लग गया था अबाउट द हाउस विद विलेनियस इंटेंट. मीन्स उसका अच्छा इंटेंट नहीं था, वो बहुत ईविल तरीके से उसके पीछे घूमने लग गया था. राइट. सो ग्रैंडफादर अंडरस्टूड दैट इट वाज द टाइम टू ट्रांसफर हिम टू अ जू. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, एक स्टेज आती है जब एनिमल स्टार्ट्स टू ग्रो अप. अब वो इतना क्यूट नहीं रह गया था, अब वो सबको तंग करने लग गया था, डिसओबे करने लग गया था. और वो जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली वो जो कुक था वो उसके पीछे घूमने लग गया था विद ईविल इंटेंट. मीन्स बुरी नज़रों से उसको देखता था और फॉलो करता रहता था. सो अब वो उनको ऐसा लग रहा था उसके ग्रैंडफादर को कि नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सेंड हिम टू द जू. वाई? बिकॉज ही कैन बी वेरी डेंजरस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस और इवन फॉर द कुक, बिकॉज कुक के साथ तो वो रहता ही है. सो दैट्स व्हेन ही डिसाइडेड दैट इसको मैंने लखनऊ के एक जू में छोड़ आऊँगा. दैट्स व्हेन द ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड टू डू दैट. सो आफ्टर 6 months, grandparents went to visit relatives in Lucknow. What happened in the meanwhile? Grandfather उसको वहाँ पे zoo में छोड़ आए थे, personally खुद जाके drop करके आए. 6 months passed after that. So grandfather and the grandmother was going to Lucknow to visit some relatives. That's when the grandfather thought कि यार let's go to visit Timothy. He thought that it's a good opportunity to meet him. So let me just go inside and meet him. So what happens is grandfather अकेले चले जाते हैं to meet Timothy in the zoo. He grabs that opportunity. He does not let that opportunity go. He grabs it and goes inside. So let's see what happened. This is what the grandfather said. He said, "Hello Timothy," said the grandfather, put his arm through the bars of the cage. So exactly, in the zoo like we have a cage. तो यहाँ पे वो bars थे, right? So what he did, he just put his hand in the cage through the bars. The grandfather did that. The tiger approached the bar. वो tiger धीरे धीरे bars के पास आ गया and allowed the grandfather to put both the hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. So this is the explanation of what happened right there when he went to see Timothy. So right here you can see here's a keeper. There's a story of this keeper also which we'll keep in mind. So what happened? यहाँ पे it's describing how the grandfather and the tiger were reunited और वो कैसे उसको प्यार कर रहे थे, right? And it also mentions that smacked him across the mouth, मतलब वो जब भी ग्रोल करता था यानी कि अजीब सी साउंड निकालता था वो टाइगर, तो उसको ग्रोल करता था तो उसके स्मैक कर देते थे माउथ पे. दिस वॉज देयर ओल्ड हैबिट. सो उनको तो लग रहा था ये टिमोथी है, तो उन्होंने सिमिलरली उस टाइगर के साथ सेम किया, एंड टाइगर वॉज एक्चुअली कॉय एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस वॉज द सीन विच हैपेंड. सो लेटर ऑन व्हाट हैपेंड, उसने लिख किया ग्रैंडफादर का हैंड, यू नो आउट ऑफ लव दे वर जस्ट चेरिशिंग ईच अदर. सो ओनली sprung away, which means he, striked away back when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Snarled is again a growling, but in a way you can say very angry manner, sound in an angry manner, that is snarled at him. So what happened, जहाँ पे टिमोथी था एक केज में, उसके साथ ही एक लेपर्ड था, राइट. सो वो लेपर्ड ने उस पर स्नैल किया. जैसे ही उसने अपनी तेज सी आवाज में लेपर्ड ने स्नैल किया तो टिमोथी ran back to the cage. That's what happened. तो टिमोथी बार बार डर ही जा रहा था कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, and he went back to the cage again and again. So the grandfather was worried. उसको लग रहा था that this leopard is actually frightening him, right? So जैसे ही वो उसको दोबारा वापस बुलाते थे वो आ जाता था लिक करने, but as soon as leopard उसको दोबारा से साउंड आती थी लेपर्ड की, he used to go back. This was happening right there. ठीक है. So then what happened? A number of people were watching their reunion. So zoo है, obviously there were a lot many people over there and they were watching कि यार how beautiful it is to see two people getting united. Two people, by two people I mean the man and the tiger, they were reunited after 6 months. So people were feeling very nice about that. So what happened, there was a keeper, you can see here is a keeper, and he said that what are you doing. He asked the grandfather कि तुम यहाँ पे why are you talking to this tiger like this. So grandfather said that I am talking to Timothy. Timothy, said the grandfather, weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months back. So that's when the grandfather questions this keeper. वो उससे पूछते हैं क्या तुम यहाँ पे नहीं थे 6 महीने पहले जब मैंने इस टिमोथी को यहाँ पे दिया था. So that keeper replies that no, I have just joined here. तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं कि आपने उसको दिया है कि नहीं दिया. He said that I don't have that much of information. Okay, so that's what happened. So what happened now, grandfather was very he was very concerned about Timothy. He was so attached to Timothy that grandfather को बुरा लग रहा था how the leopard was actually frightening him, और वो बार बार डर के पीछे जा रहा था. So here what happened, the grandfather thought that I will talk to the superintendent. So he said that मैं जाता हूँ authorities से बात करता हूँ. तो authorities क्या करेंगे, here is the leopard, here is the tiger. So वो leopard वाली केज से ना साइड कर देंगे, टाइगर को किसी और केज में डाल देंगे. दिस इज व्हाट द ग्रैंडफादर वांटेड. सो ही वेंट टू सी द सुपरिटेंडेंट एट दैट टाइम. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, उनको वो सुपरिटेंडेंट वहां पे मिला ही नहीं, राइट. ही वाज नॉट एबल टू मीट हिम. सो बट उनका टाइम बहुत वेस्ट हो गया था ग्रैंडफादर का. सो व्हाट ही डिड, लाइक इवनिंग में वो वापस आए, ही वाज जस्ट स्ट्रोलिंग एंड ही रिटर्न बैक टू टिमोथीज केज. देन ही थॉट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू से हिम गुड बाय एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लीव, एज इफ मुझे तो कोई मिल ही नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. सो ही सेड गुड बाय. इट वॉज गेटिंग डार्क at that time. So as you all know that shifts change होती रहती है zoo में. So तो keeper होता है वहाँ का, वो भी change हो जाता है. So there the grandfather recognized the keeper who had been there when Timothy came to the zoo. So when it was getting late, the keeper's shift got changed. अब कोई और keeper आ गया था. अब grandfather ने उसको recognize कर लिया कि अच्छा ये तो वही keeper है जब मैं उसको कब को छोड़ के गया था 6 months back. तो ये keeper तो मेरी बात सुन ही लेगा. So what happened next? तो उसने grandfather said to the keeper, you remember me, just like हम किसी को 6 months के बाद मिलते हैं and we are going to ask the same question. So that's what happened. He asked, you remember me, said the grandfather. Now why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard. So what happened, basically grandfather क्या चाह रहे थे, उससे एक favor करना चाह रहे थे. He was like, अब तुमने मुझे पहचान लिया ना, now do this for me. So that thing he wanted was to shift Timothy from the cage from the leopard. वो उसको डरा रहा था तो वो चाहते थे कि शिफ्ट कर दो, अब तो तुमने मेरे को रिकॉग्नाइज कर ही लिया है. सो इट्स वेरी इंटेंस नाउ, इट्स गेटिंग इंटेंस नाउ, लेट्स हियर इट. बट सर स्टैमर्ड द कीपर, उसने बहुत डर के बोला सर लाइक दैट. इट इज नॉट योर टाइगर. आई नो सेड द ग्रैंडफादर. सो ग्रैंडफादर को लग रहा था कि अब मैंने जू वालों को टाइगर दे दिया है और ये मुझे इसलिए कह रहा है इट्स नॉट योर टाइगर, राइट. सो आई रियलाइज ही इज नो लॉन्गर माइन. सो ग्रैंडफादर सेज दैट आई रियलाइज दैट मैंने जू वालों को दे दे दिया है, I realized that it's not my tiger anymore, but at least तुम मेरी बात तो सुन सकते हो. He was like, at least you can listen a word from me, a piece of advice from me, right? I remember your tiger very well. This is what the keeper said. उसके बाद कहता है, sir, I remember your tiger, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. So here is the position where he was totally shocked. The grandfather was shocked. He was like, how is that possible? So he asked, died, exclaimed the grandfather. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. So he tells him, the keeper who was right there, he tells him that he died of pneumonia, and this tiger was stabbed in the hills on the last month, and he's very dangerous. So what proves out is, जिस tiger से grandfather मिल रहे थे वो टिमोथी नहीं था, and he was a very dangerous tiger which was caught like few time back, like the last month, a month back. So it proved to be very dangerous. So keeper ने उसको ये सारी बातें बताई grandfather को. Grandfather could not think. Just imagine if you were in that place, you were talking to somebody thinking कि अच्छा ये तो मेरा वही वाला pet है. So that's what happened with the grandfather that time. So he could not think of anything to say, and then the tiger was still licking his arm. Just imagine the tiger who was called to be very dangerous and unfriendly बोलते थे उस tiger को जो नया tiger था, but he was still licking his arm. So he was also feeling very good, the tiger as well as the grandfather. So grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. अब grandfather को पता चल गया था that this is not Timothy, and his hand was inside the bars, just like in this picture. You can see his hand was inside the bars. So it says that it took him an age to withdraw his hand. मतलब उनको काफी time लग गया, to understand the fact that this is not Timothy and he should withdraw his hand from there. So with his face near the tiger, he mumbled, like he whispered, he said that good night Timothy, which means कि grandfather अभी भी उसको Timothy ही मान रहे थे, and he said good night Timothy, and giving the keeper a scornful look, like angry look, walked briskly out of the zoo. So what happened next is the grandfather was not ready to believe that Timothy has died, and he had still the same feelings for the tiger, and the tiger was also equally showing the love and affection. So what happened at the end, the grandfather said goodbye and good night to the tiger, and he left the zoo. So that's where our chapter ends. So I hope that this chapter is clear to you guys. So now we'll be moving on to the question answers of this chapter. Let's begin. So the first question is, where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? So the tiger cub was hiding in the intricate roots of a banyan tree, and he was found in a jungle. It was near Terai, in a Terai jungle, which was near Dehra. Dehra is Dehradun, the place over here. So in the context we find Dehra written, which is the name, which is the short form used for Dehradun. Moving on to the next question, which says that what did Toto do to entertain Timothy? So again, what Toto did, Toto always used to pull him by his tail, pull Timothy by his tail in order to entertain him. The next question is, what did he do when Timothy lost his temper? When Timothy used to get lost and he lost his temper, that time what used to happen? He used to climb up the curtain that time. The Toto, the monkey, used to climb. He was also scared from the tiger, right? The next question is, I became one of the tiger's favorite. Who is I in the statement? Why did he think so? So here I refers to the narrator, that is the author Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond says that I had become his favorite. Why did he think so? He thought so because the tiger became so friendly with him, and he started being happy around him, and he was playing with him all the time, and he used to just enjoy his company. That's why he said that I think that I have become one of his favorites. He used to sit on his feet also playing, and he used to pretend that he was biting his ankle. The tiger used to pretend, but actually he wasn't. He was just playing cheerfully. So that's why he says that I think I have become one of his favorites. Okay, moving on to the next question, which says that where was Timothy most comfortable during the day? Where was he during the night? So what happened? He was very comfortable on the sofa, which was in the dining room during the day, and at the night he was most comfortable in the cook's quarter, that is Mahmud's quarter. He used to live with him. Okay, so the next question says that what was grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? So grandmother's prophecy about the tiger and the cook was that the tiger is going to eat up the cook one day, Mahmud one day, but it did not come true. right? So moving on to the next question, what made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? So what made him, decide that he is going to transfer Timothy to the zoo was the change in his behavior. When he grew 6 months old, Timothy started having behavioral changes. He became less friendly and he started to, run after and chase cats, as well as he ate up the hens also. So he began to become less friendly. That's when the grandfather thought that it's time. And also he was, moving after the cook with evil intentions all the time around the house. So that's when the grandfather thought that it's time and we need to shift him to the zoo. And the grandfather shifted him to a zoo in Lucknow. Okay, moving to the next question, which says that why did the grandfather want Timothy to be put into another enclosure? So when the grandfather saw that he was frightened right when the leopard used to rush towards him and make sounds, so Timothy was frightened that time. So the grandfather was very concerned and attached to Timothy. That's when grandfather decided that he should be put in another enclosure. Okay, so the next question is, what shocked grandfather in the end? So what happened in the end was, right when the grandfather was told by the old keeper that this is not Timothy, like the tiger was not his pet and he had died 2 months ago. So this was the thing which actually shocked the grandfather and he felt very bad about it when he was informed about his death. And he was also shocked to know that the tiger he was pampering and he was loving that time, he was very dangerous. So he was like, with these two things, the grandfather was very much shocked, right? So I hope that the question answers and the text is clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care.